Now listen here. Exercise 7.1, sixth problem. Read the question. Refer the question in the book. A girl wishes to prepare birthday cake. The birthday cake now in the shape of cone. Am I right? Birthday cake. Cone. Cake in the form of bicycle cone for her birthday party. Using a sheet of paper whose area. Vector sheet is there. The area is given. The radius is given. Radius r equal to 5 centimeter. Then height h is equal to 12 centimeter. We want slant height. Slant height is l equal to root of h square plus r square. 12 square plus 5 square is 144 plus 25 169 root of 169 is 30. This is or h given from this one to find the l. Now what is the required number of caps is asking. Square number of caps asking. Okay? That is what area of the paper. Area of the paper. Or across the area of the area of the paper divided by area of the 1 cap. Area 1 cap. Okay? The area of the paper already given the question is 5720 centimeter square. Area what is what? The cap is the form of cone. So say surface area form is what? 5270 by pi is 27 into L is 30 into L is what? L is R is what? 5. R is 5 into 30. Okay? Now 5720 into 7 by 22 into 5 into 30. Am I right? Now in fifth table, one time, how many times? 1, 2, 22, 24 times. Am I right? 20, 4 times. Am I right? Again, 11 by 2 times, from times. 1 time, 0, 4. Am I right? Again, 104 into 7 by 2 into 30. Again, cancel 55. Am I right? Again, cancel 1 times, 4 times. So, number of caps equal to 28. This answer. One sheet, one white paper is there, rectangular sheet or one sheet area is given. How many number of birthday cap you want to get? That is the question. But required number of cap is equal to area of the paper with area of 1 cap. The cap is the form of cone. That's why from R to H you find L. Pi L is the formula. Substitute pi value, R value, L value. Of the simplification, we get 28. The number of 28. Hence, what answer? 28 birthday caps made. How many caps are made? Can be made. Can be made is the answer. In the paper, 28 birthday caps are can be made is the answer. Okay, only by using the final formula, this is idea, not idea. But cap in the form of cone, that's very important. Now listen here, 7th question. The ratio of the radii of the two circular cylinders are given. 1 is 3. First time. Very first let R1 and R2 be the radii of the bicycle cone of the cone. First one over. And H1 and H2 be the heights of the cone. Heights this will be. R1 and the cone is there. One small cone. Okay? This thickness is cone. Listen here. Here R1 radius, H1 height. H1. Here H2 is height, R2 radius. R1 represents smaller cone. That is a smaller cone. H1 is R2 is the biggest is cone. This is the concept. Now this is our assumption. R1 R2 is the radii of the cone. H1 and H2 is the heights of the cone. What is data? By data, radii R1 is the R2 equal to 1 is this given. Which one is what? R1 into 1x, correct? And R2 into 3x. Here, R1 x is the radius of the smallest cone. Radius of the smallest cone is very important. Okay? First, let's go over. Now, what is going on? Another data. Next time, find the ratio of the curved surface area 1. The curved surface area ratio is of same. Okay? And also, what is given? When the height of each cone is 3 times each cone, height is 3 times smaller cone. That is a smaller cone. Small cone is what x, but 3x and h also 3x. Each cone is 2 cone. The radius of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. The radius smaller cone is not x. That's why 3x, 3x. This is important. Now what is happening? The CSA ratio of the CSA is asking that CSA1 and the CSA2 will be the curved surface area of the respective cone. You want to find ratio of CA1, ratio of CA2 is asking. Therefore, to find CSA of 1, ratio CSA of 2 is asking. Okay? I have started with the division. Okay? CSA1, CSA2. Okay? CSA1, therefore CSA1, CSA2 is asking. CSA1 is curved surface, first one, pi R1 L1. Yeah. Pi R2 L2. Am I right? Pi take cancel. R1 into L1 is root of H1 square plus R1 square. Here R2 into root of L2 is what? H2 square plus R2 square. Am I right? R1 is what? 1x. Am I right? H1 is what? 3x. 3x whole square. R1 is what? X square. Here R2 is what? 3x. Here also, okay? R2 is what? X2 is what? 3x only. Where is R2 also? It's 3x. Am I right? R1 is 1x, R2 3x. X is both the same. 3x, 3x. Then x is cancelled. Here, root of is at what? 9x square plus 3x square. Here, 3 into 9x square plus 9x square. Okay? Adding 10x square. Here, 3 into 18x square. No, 18x square term 2 into 18x square. The root of 10 into x. Okay? The 3 into root of it is what? 9. 9 is what? 3. 3 into root into x. X into x. Okay? Again, root 10 turns 2 into root 5. Okay? That is a 9. 9 root 5. Cancel now. Root 5 by 9. This is what? CSA1, CSA2. What is asking? Ratio only asking. CSA ratio of CSA1, CSA2 equal to root 5 is to 9. Ratio only asking. The CSA formed by RL. The first surface area means by R1 L1. CSA2, second surface area by R2 L2. Substitute R1 value. L1 is formed as what? H1 square plus R1 square. L2 is what? Root of H2 square plus R2 square. Already our assumption is R1 R2 H1 H2 substitute. After simplification, we get the answer root 5 ratio and 9 only answer. But 3 mark, 2 mark, 5 mark %. Here only we use the CSA formula. But the assumption is very important. Ratio of the range given what is release? R into X, R2 into X. Out of these two, R makes the smallest release. Release of smallest cone, this one. And also, height of the cones are 3 times each cone. That means what? Both are same. H1 and H2 are same. 3 times the radius of the smallest cone. X, this is assumption. This is assumption. Substitute like the formula and substitute. Notice here, 8% the radius of the sphere increases by 25%. Find the percentage increase in the surface area. Suppose this is sphere. Let R is the original radius of the sphere. Right? Radius of the sphere. Therefore, what is the saying? Surface area asking you. But original surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r. Alright? Over. Now, the radius is increased by 20% now. Now, let R dash be the new radius of the sphere. That means what? R dash equal to already original is R. Now 25% increasing of R. That means what? R dash equal to R plus 25 by 100 into R plus 0.25 R adding up 1.25 R. Here original is R. Now 25% increasing. Now that is what? 1.25 R. Now new surface area of the sphere. Original sphere is on. After increasing 25% radius, now the surface area sphere equal to what is called 4 pi R dash square. 4 pi is what? 1 by 2 pi R whole square. 4 pi is 1.25 whole square into R square. R square here is 1 pi. 4 pi R square into, now multiply 1.25 into 1.25. Now you want to multiply therefore, we get the answer 1.25 into 1.25. We get the answer 1.5625. 1.5625. Okay? Now what is asking? What is asking? The percentage increase is asking. So that right answer, the percentage increase in its surface area equal to new surface area minus original surface area to find difference divided by original surface area. Am I right? Person increase in asking now plus by old area, original area, original surface area. Into 100 this percentage. Am I right? You find the difference divided by the old, the original surface area into 100. That's what percentage of. Now substitute here, new surface area is what? 4 pi r square into 1.5625 minus 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. Out of this two, 4 pi r is common, 1.5625 minus 1 divided by 4.4 pi r square. This we cancel. Into 100%. Into 100%. Now subtract both 0.5625 into 5.5%. Multiply 5625%. This is the answer. here is the 25% of radius increasing radius to 1.25 r radius given. Now what is the difference? Difference area, then percentage of area. Difference means subtract divided by origin surface area. You can discount percentage of area. Percent increase in the surface area 56.25. That's very important. Original area, origin surface area. After increase radius, 1.25 radius now, this is called new surface area. After subtract, then divide, multiply by that, this is called percentage of area. That is answer. Now we are looking at 9th question. In the question clearly given, the internal and the external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 20 and 28 centimeter. The external diameter 28 centimeter. Internal diameter 20 centimeter. Right? It implies we want capital. Capital is what? The external diameter divided by 2. That is 14 centimeter. The smaller you want 20 by 2. 10 centimeter. Diameter means we want that is not. Right? Capital smaller find out. Now what is asking? Total surface area of hollow spherical vessel is asking. What is the formula? What is the formula? Pi into 3 r capital square plus 1 r. What will be 7? 3 r square, 14 square. Is 10 square. Right? 3 into 14 square. 14 into 14, 196. 10 square 100, 10 is 100. Multiply 8 into 1, 2, 4, 580. Right? Now, multiply by 22. What is the answer? 15136 by 7. Now divide. Get the answer. 2162.28 centimeter square. This is important. Centimeter given, surface area asking, that's why centimeter square. After finding THCF hollow spherical vessel 2162.28 centimeter square now. But what is asking? Find the cost of painting the vessel all over at 0.14 per centimeter square. Cost of painting 1 centimeter square is asking. The cost of painting 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 0.14 is given. See the question clearly? What is the question? Find the cost of the paint the vessel all over at 0.14 per centimeter square. That's why cost of painting 1 centimeter square is equal to rupees 0.14. But how many centimeters are there? Therefore, cost of painting, total cost of painting, how many centimeters square is there? 2162.28 centimeters square equal to rupees 0.14 into 2162.28. Now multiply. That is the answer. 0.14 into 2162.28. The answer is rupees 302.72 paise is answer. Check yourself. First to find the total surface area. After the cost of painting asking 1 centimeter square is given, but already find out 2162.28 centimeter square already find out. Multiply by 0.14, we get the answer. Total cost of painting. Multiply 0.14. That is X out. Listen here. Next concept, the prism of a right angle cone. Prism cone actually. Only you know the cone. Here only red is there, the H is there, here is there. But this length is cancelled. So here also we get small is cancelled. The cone is removed the below part is not the prism. The prism is running. Red is at the top. R is pi R plus R. The TSA of preserving the pi into R plus R plus L in plus area of the top pi R square, area of the bottom pi small r square. And also L equal to root of h square minus r square. The code capital R minus small whole square. That's the formula. Suppose capital R small r is given me to find L is the formula. By using this area, the last problem. Am I right? This is the area of the surface of this prism. By using this area, the last question, 10th question, diagram is given. This is the form of night lamp. The form of night lamp. This is right. Here, top the radius is small r equal to given small r equals 6 centimeters. Then capital R given. Okay, radius capital R also given. Capital is what? 1 centimeter. This is also clearly the prism shaped the outer portion of the table lamp has to paint it. Including the top part. By the total cost of the painting, the lamp, if there is a cost of painting 1 square centimeter equal to 2 rupees is given. The lamp is clearly given here. This part is R is given. Here 12 is given. 12 only given. Here 6 is given. That is understood. This radius 6. This is capital 8. The H is what? Yes, sir, the given 8 centimeters given. Without meter, not centimeter, meter only. Okay. Diagram given in the question. Need not draw the diagram once again. Wait it. Need not draw the once again diagram. From the diagram, you want to guess the value of small r, capital R, H. That's very important. Small r, capital R, H from the diagram. Diagram is given the question. Need not draw the diagram. Find it. This is given. Now what is the name? The total cost of painting is asking. Anyway, to find the total surface area. That's why we need L. To find L. Slant height of the code. Slant height L is equal to what's the formula? X square R minus R whole square. X square 8 square 6 12 minus 6 whole square. Equal to 6 square 64 per 36. 100 10 is right? First at over. Now the diagram is here. Night time no. Night time. You want painting the surface area on top of the top part. The below part is what? The lower part. Need not painting the below part. Top of the part, the surface area. Now to find the CAC of the prism is equal to what is the formula? Pi r capital plus r in here. Note it will be 7. Capital is what? 12 plus 6. L is what? L is 10. Am I right? 22 into 18 into 10 divided by 7. Am I right? Now multiply all the value. Multiply all the value. The point is coming. 22 to 18 to 10. You want to multiply all the number by 7. All the numbers multiply together 3, 9, 6, 2. Now divided by 7, we get the answer 5, 6, 1, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 0.71 centimeters meter square. The next is the area of the top part. Area of the top part is what? 25 square. Pi is 20 by 7. R is what? Small r, 6 into 6. Again multiply 6 into 6, 36 into 2. You get the answer 792. 792 by 7. Again divide. You get the answer. Point something is coming. 113. 113.14. meter square. Therefore, total area to be painted. Total area to be painted equal to the animal 565.71 plus 113.24. Animal 5, 8, 8, 7, 6 meter square. Alright? Now, the area of the cost of the painting, 1 meter square equal to 2 rupees something like to the question. Cost of painting, 1 meter square 2 rupees. Therefore, total cost of painting is total cost of painting the lamp post. Painting the lamp is equal to 2 rupees into 678.85. Now multiply. That is the answer. You get the answer? Rupees multiply to now. 1357.72. This one 4 you multiply to. This number was 5% because by using this formula to find area. By this formula, the counter surface area preserved. Using this formula, area top, the total together, and multiply 2 also. That is the answer. Multiply 1%. This exercise completely over. This exercise completely over. 7 parts we have 10 problem. First 5 problem over. Next 5 problem over. The remaining exam you have to do yourself. That is the goal. Do yourself.